Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get more FPS and Bluestacks 5. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Improving FPS and Bluestacks 5 can enhance the gaming experience by providing smoother gameplay. Here are some tips to help you get more FPS and Bluestacks 5. So the first method would be ensure that you are using the latest version of Bluestacks 5. Developers often release updates that may include performance improvements. Next method, open Bluestacks 5 and click on the settings, the gear icon, and the bottom right corner. Navigate to the display tab. Adjust resolution based on your PC's specifications. Lowering the resolution can significantly improve FPS, and don't forget to click on Save Changes. Next method, make sure that virtualization technology is enabled in your PC's BIOS UEFI settings. This feature can improve the performance of virtualization-based applications like Bluestacks. Next method, ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, to download and install the latest drivers. Next method, in Bluestacks settings, allocate more CPU cores on RAM. Be cautious not to allocate too much, as this could affect the performance of other applications running on your PC. Next method, on a laptop, make sure that you are using the high performance power plan. You can adjust the setting and the power options of your operating system. Next method, close unnecessary background applications to free up system resources for Bluestacks. Next method, adjust the display settings on your PC, including resolution and refresh rate. Disable unnecessary visual effects and Windows to reduce the strain on your GPU. Another method, in Bluestacks settings, go to Display tab, enable or disable options such as high DPI, and save the changes. Next method, in the Bluestacks settings, under the Graphics tab, try switching from OpenGL to DirectX or vice versa to see which performs better on your system. Another method, within the games you play on Bluestacks, adjust in-game graphics settings to optimize performance. And lastly, if you try the above steps and are still experiencing performance issues, consider reaching out to Bluestacks support for assistance. They may provide additional guidance based on your system configuration. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.